Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix all Windows Media Player errors. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're experiencing playback problems, crashes, or any general errors with Windows Media Player, this method should help resolve most issues quickly. First, open up the Start menu on your computer and click on Settings. From the left-hand side menu, select Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Using the search bar, type in Media, and you should see Media Player appear in the list. Click on the three horizontal dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Terminate option and click on the Terminate button to completely close the app. After that, scroll further down to the Reset section. First, click on Repair and give it a few seconds to complete. Once that's done, click on the Reset button at the bottom and confirm by pressing Reset. This will restore the media player to its default state without affecting your personal files. Once finished, close the Settings window and check if the issue has been resolved. If Windows Media Player is still not working properly, there is one final solution you can try. Open the Start menu again and go back into Settings. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on System, then scroll down and select Optional Features. Next, click on the blue View Features button. In the search box, type Windows and locate Windows Media Player Legacy. Select it and press Remove, then wait a few moments while it is removed from your system. After the removal is complete, click on See Available Features. Once again, use the search box and type Windows, then select Windows Media Player and press Add. The system will now begin reinstalling the media player. Keep in mind that this process can take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your system. Once the installation is complete, open Windows Media Player Legacy, and your playback errors or issues should now be fully resolved. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix all Windows Media Player errors. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.